Hi, my name is Mary Shockley, and I am an early childhood teacher instructor at the Shelton School and Evaluation Center here in Dallas, Texas. And I'm so very excited and grateful to be attending the Montessori event in Nashville. And I'll be there presenting my workshop called Teaching Montessori with Other Montessorians, a guide to collaborative co-teaching. And I know we have all had co-teaching relationships throughout our career. And so this workshop is really designed to equip you with some proactive strategies that you can take back and nurture a cohesive co-teaching partnership, as well as grow a little bit in your own self-awareness as an educator in a shared workspace. So please join me, and I look forward to seeing everybody at the Montessori event.